Hi and welcome to Randaddy's Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing Greek lamb kebabs. Perfect for the summer that's in it, or if it's raining, easy done in the pan. Here we go with the ingredients. Eggplant, red pepper, yellow pepper, garlic, some lamb, olive oil, and we have some oregano. Gloves on, let's start with the lamb. Now we want to keep the lamb in nice, even chunks. The purpose behind this is so everything can cook evenly. I like to use a leg of lamb and chop it up. Very easy done. You can always chop up a lot extra, freeze it down, and use it for a later date. Into the bowl, into the bowl. This is for basically up 2 portions. All we're gonna do is put it, pepper, meat, eggplant, and repeat. Here we go with one of the key ingredients in Greek cooking, garlic. Fresh garlic and plenty of it. The more, the merrier. Another key ingredient, oregano. Olive oil, lots of this bad boy. Nice healthy pinch of pepper. I'm not going to put any salt because the salt will take all the juice out of the meat, and that's not what we want right now. Mixing. These have been soaking for about 2 hours in water. This is just gonna stop them from burning or catching fire, or just limit the chances of it happening. Now, it's a rainy day. We're just gonna cut this bad boy in half. That way it'll be easier to cook on the pan. Perfect little party foods. You can see here we have quite a bit left, but that's exactly what I want. Tomorrow, we're gonna do a Greek lamb wrap with this. A little bit of oil. Got some salt. Basically, we're looking for this caramelization. I like the meat medium to medium rare. I think you're gonna get the best flavors out of that. As you can see right here, you can see the blood and juices coming out. That's when you know it's coming on medium. Our lamb is ready. We got our tzatziki here. Definitely something really nice and flavorful. Gonna swipe it along like that. We'll put our lamb in the middle there. And we are off to the races with that bad boy. Tasty dish, perfect. So you have the lovely bold meat, you have the lovely creamy texture of the yogurt, everything really mashing up, and the sweetness of the peppers, everything's really coming together. Now it's time for the taste test. Perfect, lovely, lean lamb, best on the barbecue. Enjoy.